G'day, thanks for watching. Let's look at the NASDAQ. In the previous video, I had a slight brain fade and double-clicked on the 40-day low arrow and duplicated it across to here, to the low that's on the 17th of February. And that was wrong. What I should have done is double-clicked on that low arrow and dragged it to the alternative. Well, one technique is to track multiple phasings. So when there's a possibility that this phasing is not the best, this one has the 40-day on the 5th of February, but there's an alternative over here on the 17th. So what I've done is I've constructed an alternative. Everything else is the same, except the 40-day low is no longer pointing to the 5th of February, it's pointing to the 17th of February. We looked at this possibility 2 or 3 videos ago on the S&P as well, that this late 40-day low makes a bit more sense than some of the other alternatives. This 40-day low is late, and late in a downtrend is what we tend to see. This market is dropping into the 20-week low. It has made its high and is on its way down. So let's bring in some data and see what these two alternatives look like. Well, price gapped up, went up, and has now dropped back. This phasing suggests that price will drop into the 20-day low zone somewhere between the 7th and 14th of March. That pushes the 20-week low further out between the 29th of March and the 4th of April. Let's go back to our original. And we have the same problem in the 20-day zone as we had with the S&P in the last video. Where is the 20-day low? This low back here on the 17th is too early for the 20-day low. Comparing these two phasings, I think the other phasing is looking better. And that's what we do. As new information comes in, if we're tracking two different phasings, one of them will start to win. And the winning comes from that phasing making better forecasts of coming trend and getting the lows in more logical, sensible, cyclic places. If you'd like early access to these cycle outlook videos soon after trading ends, instead of delayed on YouTube, you can subscribe to the early access list. The link is at the top of the description. All right, well, we have to wait for more information. By the middle of next week, these two phasings may have resolved. For now, I'm short these markets. Okay, thanks for watching.